it's Danielle, and I am going to do an unboxing with you guys. Another subscription box that I have signed up for and trying out, and I am going to reveal it with you guys. This is my first box, so we will open it up and see what we think. But first, if you guys are new here, my name is Danielle and I am the non-traditional mommy, and I like to do videos on an array of different topics. So click off here when you're done and go check out some more of my videos and see if you guys want to hit the subscribe button and join the family. For the rest of my non-traditional family, you guys know you're the MVPs and I love you bunches. Now let's unbox this box. So you guys, I signed up for the Fab Fit and Fun subscription box, and I wanted to try this box because it is only a 4-box subscription, so you're not getting a box every month. I talked about in my Groove unboxing how I typically do not like subscriptions because I don't like getting something every month. I find that they are usually redundant or items that I don't use monthly. So yeah, I stray away from the whole monthly subscription thing. However, I like the idea of subscription boxes and getting something just sent to me, something that I'm going to use, something that is beneficial, and I don't have to think about it or go out and buy it. So I thought this Fab Fit and Fun box might be something that would be beneficial to my life. This box only comes seasonal, so you only get 4 boxes throughout the year. And then the things in the box are related to that particular season, and it's also related to fitness. So you're gonna get something that's related to fitness, something that is related to fashion or makeup, and then something fun and exciting as well. And you do kind of get to customize your box a little bit, so you can go on and see what items they have for the season and select which one you would rather get in your box. So I thought that that was cool as well. So I thought, hey, let's try it out, see what I think. And you know, if I hate it, I'll cancel it and move on with my life. But if I love it, then this could be something that is beneficial and brings me joy in my life. It's such a pretty and happy box. I love happy boxes. Ooh. All right, so right off the bat, I'm happy. Do I need to even explain why this makes me happy? So you get a little magazine, Fab Fit Fun, and it talks about don't fall for these beauty myths, some recipes for picnics, some skincare tips, and Venus Williams is on the front, so it's gonna have a whole article on her. So let me tell you guys, I love magazines, and when I was a teenager, I got just about every single teen magazine subscription that there was. My dad subscribed me to just about all of them, and I loved getting those in the mail. Like I just loved it. I would run to the mailbox every month. This actually makes me happy. I don't do magazines anymore just because of the whole sustainable thing, but getting one every 4 months kind of makes me happy. So yeah. There is a gift card for HelloFresh, $50 gift card. All right, so you guys, I might try HelloFresh and let you guys know what I think about that and if it's worth it. So this is the packaging for the box. So pretty. There's everything in there. It's so pretty, y'all. There is some leave-in conditioner right there. I don't know. I'll have to read about this to let you guys know if this will be something that I try. Oh, look at this. depuffing gel. No more baggage. It's like they were in my house listening to me when I did that whole celery juice challenge. I'm definitely gonna try this. You guys know this is like a huge problem area for me, and I know it's mostly just DNA and my family traits, but I'm gonna try this and see if it helps. There is a purifying face cleanser, and when you sign up for the box, you go in and you put in all of your information, so your skin type, your hair texture, your skin tone, all of that stuff you put into the system, and I guess that is how they know what to put in your box, what products will be good for you. So this is a champagne charcoal scrub. That's cool. I'm like, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I'm terrified to try face products. Like, I'm just real scary about putting stuff on my face, so I'm kind of like cringing about these whole face products that they've sent me. But for the sake of y'all and the sake of seeing if I want to keep going with these boxes, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try it. So I got a little necklace as well. So they do send you jewelry and stuff like that. So this little necklace came in there. That's cute. That's a cute little necklace. This is a mask, a night mask, but it feels like there's something in there. So I don't know. But also got a little eye cover. I love these. What is this? What is this? It's in a nice little bag. Ooh. Ooh. Some sunglasses. Those are cute. I'm all about sunglasses, y'all. That is one of my weaknesses. What y'all think? I think they're cute. I think they're cute. I like them. I like them. Those are cute. And they're nice. They're pretty heavy glasses. They're not like, they don't feel cheap at all. And this bag is a nice magnetic closure bag. So, and it's, I don't know this name. I'm not even gonna try to say it, but that is the brand. Can you guys see that brand right there of the sunglasses? Those are nice. Oh, I know that I picked the book bag because I love book bags. So let's open that up. It comes in a little dust bag. And this is it. This is the little bag. So I'm not 100% like sold on this bag. It's like, oh, it's cute, it's okay. I don't know if it's something that I'm just like in love with or whatever, but it's a nice little canvas book bag. So it has a little button, like a little button closure right here. And I'm already in my head thinking like, when will I carry this? What will I use this for? So it has that little closure. And then it has like 2 buttons right there. So I think you can probably maybe snap it closed. I don't know why you would want to do that, but you can like snap it closed like that. I'm not sure what the purpose behind that would be, but that's an option. And then fold it over or whatever. So I don't know, y'all. Like, I'm thinking, like, what would I use this? Oh, that's cute when it's like that. So that's how it looks with the buttons closed. But the straps are adjustable in the back. So you just pull it and it just shortens. Pull it from right here. So I don't know. I'm kind of like, maybe I should have got the robe instead. I don't know about this bag. But it's not a bad little bag. This might be something that, like, when we go to the beach, I wouldn't mind taking on the beach and getting it, you know, with the sand and all of that, instead of taking one of my more expensive book bags. So I could see myself using it for that, or taking it to the pool with the kids. So maybe things like that where I'm not concerned about my bags getting messed up or something. This would be like a nice little canvas kind of bag to carry without worrying. So I'll let you guys know if I use this and how I used it. So overall, that's it. That was what was in this spring box. A lot of the stuff I'm pretty excited about. Some of the stuff I'm like, I don't know. So we'll see. I'm gonna try the face products. I'm definitely gonna try the bags. I'm going to try the face scrub and the mask. I still haven't tried my mask from my Groove box, so I'm gonna try those. I'll let you guys know if I utilize that HelloFresh coupon. I've heard so many things about HelloFresh. I've wanted to try it, but with a family my size, I mean, it's probably unrealistic, but you know, who knows? I might try it and just see, since I have a little gift card for it. So yeah, that's it. That was my unboxing of the FabFitFun spring box. Let me know what you guys think about this whole box. If there was anything that sparked your interest, let me know what you guys subscribe to. If you do any subscriptions, let me know about them. If you think it's something that I should look into, if it would benefit our family or benefit me, I would love to hear about them. I need to find, like, you guys know what I would like to find? A tissue, napkin, what else? Like tissues, napkins, that kind of box. Like some kind of subscription box that delivers like sustainable tissue and napkins in a bulk size, because my kids eat tissue apparently they go in the bathroom and just eat it, because we go through so much tissue in this house. So if you know a box like that, let me know. I would also like to try like a Black owned business box. So if you guys know of any subscription boxes that are Black owned, let me know, because I wouldn't mind trying them out and seeing what I think, if it's a box that I feel like I could utilize or use in my family. So yeah, so let me guys know what subscriptions you are a part of and if they are awesome. Thank you guys for watching. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, hit the bell button, guys, so you'll know when I'm back and I'm posting videos, because it's just a sporadic life right now. So thanks again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.